In this session, we will learn about practice on speed control of the lock stitch sewing machine. At the end of this session, you will be able to know the lock stitch sewing machine and describe the speed control of the lock stitch sewing machine. Let us recall the uses, specifications and types of the lock stitch machine. It is the common machine used in domestic tailoring and industrial production. The stitch is formed by interlocking two threads. This machine is distinguished by the winding device provided for the bottom thread, bobbin thread. It does not ravel. Similar appearance at top and bottom. Very limited insensibility. Can be started and finished at any point on the fabric surface. It is mainly used for women garments and for very limited operations in the knitted garments.
It has two threads, one is needle thread, other is bobbin thread, forming the stitch by interlacing.
The specifications of lock stitch are similar stitches formed on both sides of the fabric. Thread consumption between needle and bobbin is 1:1. Bobbin thread to the bobbin should be refilled frequently. They have bobbin cases and hook set. Used for non-stretchable portions like collar, cuff, pocket, etc. Stretchability is 0.4%. There are two types of lock stitch machines, single needle and double needle. Let us do a task to test your understanding. To perform this task, you need single needle lock stitch machine and A4 size papers. The task is to practice on speed control of the lock stitch sewing machine. Switch on the sewing machine. Raise the process foot up. Take one paper and place it below the presser foot and down the presser foot with the help of presser foot lifter. Keep both the hands on paper. Concentrate and slightly press the pedal. Note the movement of the needle and the paper. Also note the speed of the machine. Stop the machine by removing the foot from the pedal. Practice the above procedure until you get the speed control. We have reached the end of this session on practice on speed control of the lock stitch sewing machine. By now, you should be able to know the lock stitch sewing machine and describe the speed control of the lock stitch sewing machine.